Smallism is a revolutionary concept that integrates self-realization and environmental protection. Our product is not only a leather wallet, it is a story, a journey, and a DIY leather wallet experience. Our patented cutting technology allows you to assemble a sturdy DIY leather wallet without needing needlework or glue. This technology is patented in Taiwan, China, the US, the EU, and Japan, and won the German IF Design Award in 2020. We insist on using natural vegetable tanned leather from Italy, which has a rich texture and conforms to environmental protection. When the leather wallet is no longer in use, it can be easily disassembled and all materials can be recycled. Each of Smol's hexagonal screws is precision cut from a solid block of 304 stainless steel, making your assembly process not only a production but also an enjoyment. From Taiwan to Tokyo, from Milan to New York, Smallism's innovative design and environmental protection concepts have been recognized worldwide. Award-winning design, recognized for quality and innovation by the IF Awards Germany, Maple Trend District Milan, and New York. Now Sustainable Design Exhibition New York. Thank you for watching our introduction. If you are interested in Smallism's handmade leather products, please visit our official website. You'll discover more unique designs and get your hands on the experience of assembling these eco-friendly and story-filled leather artworks. Don't miss out. Discover our latest collection now and become part of Smallism's eco-friendly lifestyle.